So we're given the line, whereas if the line passes through the origin, then the value of m is that. Okay, there is one property we are going to use here, that collinear points have the same slope. That any point that lie on the same line, the slopes are equal. So assuming you have the points here, so the slope of taking any 2 points, the slope will be the same, changing y. Assuming this, maybe this m1, m2, m3, so that m1 will be the same thing as m2, will be the same thing as m. So the slope of collinear points are equal. So I'm going to take, let me just wipe this. So I'm going to take, because they say pass through the origin, so the best point, let me use origin. So I will take this, the origin, and this, and after I will take this, the origin and this point. So I'll first compare these 2 points, the slope, and equate the two together because they're on the same line. So if I call this m1, the slope of this line, that's this point, this 2 point m1, we see that m1 is changing y, which is 8 minus 0 over, here is minus 2, minus 2 minus 0. So our answer is minus 4. So here is minus 4. So here we now have m. So m2, let's call it m2. So m2 will be m minus 0 over 8 minus 0. So I have m over 8. So from what they say, that this slope, since they are on the same line, therefore m1 will be equal to m2. So m1 is minus 4 is equal to m2 is m over 8. So which implies that m is minus 4 times 8, which is minus 32. So that's it. The value of m is minus 32. The answer is option B.